Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an enemy battler of Tamamo-no-Mae and a demon founder by Uji Masala, a character art of a middle-aged man in a coat, a female teacher, and a slightly overweight man in a suit, all three by Raiko, a girl by Niahoya, a girl in a gothic green dress by Fuyukuma, and a boy in a lab coat by Nakaaki. Deluge, a horror RPG about a minion-skeleton that goes rogue after it's brought back to life by an evil entity. Ankra, a narrative-driven puzzle horror game where you explore the home of a dying photographer. An animated base of a wizard-class battler by Holder. An MV plugin by Raziel Etch that allows us to keep a log or record of all the game's conversations. An MV and MZ plugin by Knight of the Celestial that adds an optimized pathfinding system to our game. An MZ plugin by Lyra Volta that allows using items without selecting an actor if there is only one member in the party. An MZ plugin by the Unpro Pro that adds a Grainy-Static filter to the screen. A sprite pack of futuristic characters by Renoba. A Tileset pack of a Pixel farm, a Pixel mine, and a Pixel forest by Killer Rabbit Media. A Tileset pack of a retro cyberpunk apartment complex by Mr. McCoyd. And lastly, an article tutorial by Every on setting up water tiles and making them work better with MZ's layer mapping system. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.